The Counsel of the Bird is a fable that narrates the story of a wise bird offering profound advice to a man after being captured. The bird counsels the man to avoid regret over opportunities, to resist believing in the impossible, and to avoid seeking the attainable. Upon release, the bird demonstrates wisdom by revealing truths the man ignored, highlighting the importance of understanding and heeding advice. The fable explores themes of wisdom, greed, and the nature of truth. The bird's advice reflect on human tendencies to dwell on the past, chase illusions, and disregard practical counsels. It critiques impulsive behavior and argues the cultivation of insight and self-control. The story serves as a timeless lesson on valuing wisdom over material desires. It challenges readers to reflect on their choices and recognize the importance of discernment in life. The bird's teachings emphasize the needs of patience, mindfulness, and deeper understanding of what truly matters.